have been a painter, could have studied law.
Buy it for yourself, try it out, and then thank me later. Hair is just so large and in charge today. Put your hands in it like this, and you let it rip. $20? Don't quote me on that.
You're my paintbrush, you're my curriculum. Could have been a sailor, could have been an astronaut.
What is up, you guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today is going to be a Amazon favorites. If you guys really truly know who I am, you guys know I have a Amazon addiction. Like, it's really bad, especially during the quarantine. Oh my gosh, I spent a lot of money, but I've even spent more money. So I just wanted to share a couple things that I'm absolutely loving currently and that I just want to share with you guys. So if you guys are interested, then make sure you guys keep on watching. My hair looks absolutely insane. Look like a lion. My hair is all like so poofy and just huge. But anyway, some of the items that I do want to share are too big to like haul around and like pick up and show you in front of the camera. So I will be turning the camera around and showing you guys a few things as well. These, you guys, Amazon is where it's at. I have these shorts that I absolutely love. I work out in these. The other pair that I'm going to be talking about, which is these pair here, ride just a tiny bit, but like it's nothing insane. Like, it's doable, it's manageable. But for the price of these, oh my gosh, good find. I absolutely love these blue shorts. So these are like a teal color, like a dark tealish, like navy blue. I don't, obviously, really don't know my colors, obviously, but these, you guys, are just really nice and like comfy and stretchy. They do have like a little pattern on them, and they do come up into bigger sizes. I don't know what size it goes up to, but these were in a 2X and these fit really good for me. I'll have to like insert like a video, a clip, or like a picture at least of me like trying these on so you guys can see them a little bit more in person. Those I love. I wear these a lot when I work out, and then I also wear these a lot when I work out, and I actually have a video somewhere of me working out in these, and if I can find them I'll kind of just post it up here so you guys can see it. But these are so cute. I love them. They are cheetah and they are super pretty. And that's the back side. And I think actually both of these have like little pockets, so I don't know if you guys can really see them, but I don't ever use pockets for shorts or pants or really for anything, but if you guys find that pockets are handy, these do have them. Maybe this one doesn't. It's like a little side pocket actually on this side. Pocket in the back. Just absolutely love those. These are just really cute and stretchy, and if you guys need a pair of shorts, these are actually really affordable. I think these were actually only like $20. Don't quote me on that. Everything will be listed in the description obviously, but get your hands on those. Super affordable. So one thing that I did want to mention were these lunch boxes. These are, I don't know why I keep saying these, like I have multiple. This is one lunch box that I purchased from Amazon, and I absolutely love how like neutral it is, and it's just very kind of like a bohemian, like just classy, just simple, not anything like with a bunch of flowers or random weird designs. I just like simple. I like things that are like this. This is black and white stripe, and then it has like this brown handle, and the lunchbox is insulated. So even if this isn't like a lunch bag, sometimes I actually just use this to carry snacks with me if I'm going to be gone for a while. Like even if I'm going to my like mom's house or somewhere and I don't really want to eat bad, sometimes I will literally just pack like some cheese and some grapes and like beef sticks and like ice packs and just put them in here. So I absolutely really like this little lunchbox. Another thing that I wanted to share was this lotion. It's called Sweet Pineapple and Honey Melon. This is a hemp I cannot talk during this video today. It's insane. This is a hemp lotion. They have other sizes. I wanted a mini size because I've been washing my hands a lot at work. So I've been able to just like squirt this in and be on the go. I'll have it in my scrub pocket. But they do have like the big bottles with like a pump. So if you guys want to carry this at home, you guys can. But this, girl, boy, whoever you are, this is literally like the best scent I've ever smelled in my entire life. Like, I'm sure if you guys buy this and you smell this, you're gonna be like, oh, like it's seriously hands down the best smell. Like, I wish I could describe it to you. Like, I just can't without you like smelling it through the screen, because buy it for yourself, try it out, and then thank me later. So this is a little girl talk, so if you don't want to listen to this, then I would go ahead and suggest you guys to skip a little forward. But for those of you who test for pregnancy a lot, and like let's say you're like me, I'm not on birth control, but I also have never had kids, and I've been with my fiance for almost 10 years. We have plenty and plenty of scares and plenty of times where I thought I was, and I feel like I'm constantly just testing because we're not trying, but we're also not really preventing. So I feel like it's more prone to me to like have to test all the time because it's always a possibility, but it's more likely like PMS symptoms or whatever. But I feel like I just go through tests a lot, and one thing that has helped with that is Amazon, because pregnancy strips. You guys, you can get a big bag, and I think this was like $10 or less. And you guys, there's like so many in here. Like, I'm not gonna pull them all out, but there are seriously so many, and there's like a ton of them. And then they're just little HCG strips, and these are a life changer because the reviews are awesome. They work really well. By the reviews I read that they like are fast, or like can give you like a faint line sooner. So they're like similar to like first response, or actually I've seen a few reviews that said it was better and that they saw a faint line sooner or something. Stuff like that. But I'm not looking to get a positive. I just wanted to have a really convenient amount of tests on hand if I need them, and not having to spend, even like honestly, even if you go to the dollar store and you buy a $1 pregnancy test, but let's say you buy like 5, that's still $5 for only 5 tests. There is like a buttload of these in here for only $10 or less or so. I don't even remember how much they are, but they're cheap and it comes with a ton. So like, this is a really good money saver. If you guys are interested in something like this, I really highly suggest looking on Amazon. They actually have ovulation kits as well, which I'm not currently using, but for future reference, if any of you guys need that, or if I will need that, they have them on Amazon. One little gadget that I've absolutely been loving, I use this like seriously all the time, probably like every other day. But this is a mini waffle maker. You guys, don't judge me, but like, this is the best little tool ever. Especially if you guys like have kids. Sorry, there's like oil all over this because I made a mess. But I feel like these are just really fun and cute, but it was kind of expensive. I would say this was like $20 or so. It's just like a bunch of rainbows, and it just makes little mini waffles. So this item here is actually a very good gift idea if you guys are looking for Christmas ideas also from this video. But let me make sure I'm putting it the right way. This is a neck massager. So as you guys can see, it looks like so. You just put it behind yourself, and you can put this really anywhere. It doesn't have to be in your neck. My fiance and I have used it on our back. I've used it on my lower back. I've used it on my legs actually. When I had a severe like leg day, my legs were really sore, I just used this. But you literally just put your hands in it like so, and you can adjust the pressure. So you can kind of like be loose about it, or you can like pull it up really tight and like get in those knots really good. But this thing, you guys, love it. My fiance and I use this all the time, and it just plugs in, and you guys can like sit on the couch or sit anywhere you want and just let it go. And it's kind of similar, if you guys want like an example, it's very similar to like those pedicure chairs, like when you go get a pedicure in the nail salon, but like a traveling version of that. And I actually found this through Beauty and the Beastons. She had showed this during like her little pamper routine. Tiffany Beaston, if you guys know who that is. She's one of my favorite YouTubers ever. She has a bunch of kids and makes tons of like motivating videos and cleaning videos. I don't even have kids, but she's like the most organized mom and just like has her life together, and I just know I want to be her when I'm a mom. I want to be a kick-ass mom like she is. Anyway, super cool. It has like just like these little kneading, I don't want to say balls, these like things that grind into your neck, which feel amazing. It does heat up, and I thought it like turned red or showed color when you turn on the heat, but maybe it doesn't. I don't think it does. But you can also control this here, and it has different settings, like how high, I seriously cannot talk, how low or high you want your settings. So just like so. My hair is just so large and in charge today. But you just set this on here and get my hair out of the way for you guys. But you literally just set your hands in it like this and you let it rip. I just got goosebumps. So the next few items, I'm actually going to turn the camera around and show you guys some things, because it's just like too heavy and too big to like pull up into the camera. So I'm going to go ahead and show you those. Let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I'm currently downstairs in my kitchen. I just wanted to show you guys how to use this little milk frother. It is literally one of my favorite things. Just toss almond milk in here. It whips it up to make it all like foamy type, and then you just pour it on top of your coffee, which I have some coffee here in a mug, so I'm going to go ahead and top this off and get going. So I put the almond milk in there. You put the lid on, and literally all you do is just press a button. Can't really tell or not, but literally all it's doing is just spinning around, and it does warm up. It's a little warm. So from here, literally all you do is just pick it up, dump it in, like so. Is just top it off with a little cinnamon. So as for my little hand frother, it's pretty much the same thing as this big one, except it's just a little handheld one. Love, love, love it too. It's super cute. I love the white. But all I use this for is to blend my greens with my orange juice, because then you like literally cannot even taste it. Point out this weight rack, because this same exact weight rack I saw at Dick's Sporting Goods, literally the same exact one. I even had like the little lettering on the side of the post here. It was like 120, 130 or something like that in Dick's, and this was way cheaper than that. Like, I don't even remember the price exactly, but it was way cheaper. I think these are only like 60, 70 for this weight rack on Amazon. I don't know for sure, but I know it was cheaper. These mats are really cool. If I could, I would probably like bring them all the way out and just have this like whole section, like a workout section. But the problem is that my dogs would just lay all over it, chew their bones on it and whatever. So my goal is just to have my own little home gym eventually, like in a spare bedroom or in our garage or somewhere, and then I would probably get more mats. But for now, I just use these little rollout ones. I put them away when I'm done, because like I said, they will just lay all over it. And they will slobber and chew on their bones and just ruin them. So this is what we're at right now. This basket holding my mats, that basket is actually from Amazon too. So the basket, mats, and the rack are all from Amazon. So I'll have that all linked if you guys are interested. because this is seriously my little happy place right here. So cool. So I also wanted to share this POUF. I picked this up from Amazon. The only complaint I have is that you have to fill it yourself, so it comes deflated and you just fill it with like foam or whatever, and it gives you instructions on like what to fill it with and where you could probably find it from. But I think I actually filled this with like, we had extra of our like foam mattress topper that we cut off, and I was gonna throw it away anyway, so I just tossed it in here instead of having to go buy something to put in here. So if you guys watched my beauty room tour, you guys would have saw this shelf. I really wanted to mention this shelf because I feel like from Amazon, this is a really nice shelf. I think it's very rustic and farmhouse looking and almost like a boho vibe too in a way, and I just absolutely love the way it looks. I absolutely love the color of this wood against the black metal. I think it looks really nice, and for what I remember, it was really affordable too. So if you guys are in the need for a little bookshelf, I find this really cute over here. I use it kind of like a bookshelf, but also like an end table type of thing. So love it. Alright guys, so that was everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really do enjoy showing you guys things that I pick up from Amazon. I think it's a really cool place where you can find tons of different things, and not only for yourself but other people. So I thought it's just a really good thing to shop for, especially during Christmas when you get 2-day shipping. And just, if you guys do not have Amazon Prime, you guys, it's a must-have. Like, I couldn't even imagine life without Amazon Prime. Alright guys, so that is everything for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I love sharing things that I can find on Amazon. You guys can really find some cool stuff. So definitely make sure you guys are subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my future videos. Bye!